I'm being told.
Yes, we've got a message from Ben.
Oh, good. Oh.
Oh dear.
Fries and people think they can drop mics. I'll drop them with a kick, and it'll hurt them because they hurt me and my feelings. I don't need this. I went to school for 2 years and dropped out.
Like Mike.
Sadder than I expected.
Aww.
What?
We broke his heart.
I feel like if we'd actually broken his heart, he wouldn't have recorded a video of him saying "Razen Frazen" and sent it to us.
Maybe.
I'm trying to figure out where the hell he is. Don't weigh in with ideas, but
Yeah.
I'm surprised he made it that far.
I mean,
think I know where he is.
well, I hope he comes back soon.
12 miles from here.
what's funny is that the VST had scripted all this out, and he recorded that last night.
Yeah.
He just pre-prepped a lot of reaction videos for whatever situation was going to come
Correct,
up.
yes.
This is the most elaborate driver shift thing I've ever seen.
People are like, "Oh, he's outside." It's like, no, I guarantee you, where he was not outside.
This is a heck of a driver intro you got going on, Beach.
Yeah.
It's been going on for 90 minutes already.
Yeah, I should really get this under control. Next year I'll rein it in a bit.